Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day as usual. Got some more information for you guys. Really interesting stuff. Ripple moving 250 million XRP, and they're not just moving it around to the old usual OTC wallets that they move it to. They are moving it to some fresh addresses, and there's some other addresses along with this one that potentially indicate that these ones might be also connected to like other institutions such as liquidity providers and banks that are going to be holding XRP. To be essentially a part of the XRP ecosystem. So let's go ahead. Let's get into it real quick. Bitcoin price update. It's sitting around just above 8,700. Not doing too bad. I mean, we're getting a lot of wicks to the upside, which ain't really that great of a thing. But again, we're also getting a lot of wicks to the downside, which is another good thing. But as you can see here, after this impulse up and we kind of correct for a little bit, you're seeing a lot of wicks both ways because that means the market is very, very uncertain right now. And honestly, after having this doji and then this barely green candle, and now this one that has 3 hours and 40 minutes left, I mean, honestly, we better hope that that one is a bullish engulfing as well as this one right here on XRP. XRP sitting at about 44.5 cents, not doing too bad, staying above that 42-cent level, which is kind of more crucial. But again, we tried testing 46 cents today. We're gonna have to test that later on, as well as 48 cents, because guys, we did golden cross. So I mean, if you do look at the daily chart, you might see some red here. We might even close on a red day. But again, keep in mind, last golden cross, we actually did have a pretty red day after that. We actually had like a 25% drop actually after the golden cross, and then we moonshotted. So again, don't get scared from a little red, guys, because again, this golden cross might take some time to really form into something huge and parabolic. So XRP Ledger Monitor about 20-25 minutes ago, guys. This is fresh off the press. I mean, the press, I don't even think has this quite yet. But as you can see here, the XRP Ledger Monitor lets us know that we have a 250 million XRP transfer being sent from Ripple to a brand new address. So if you go ahead, click through the links here and head over to BitHump and then type in the transaction hash, which leads you to the destination address. You can see here that it is full of 250 million precious XRP. And you can see here there's also other wallets that are activated with this wallet right here. So they initially loaded it with 100 XRP, then used 25 XRP 3 times to fund 3 new wallet addresses. And now this one's just sitting with a bulk load of 250 million XRP. And my question is if they're opening up 4 wallets and they fill one with 250 million, wouldn't we logically think that these other ones are going to get loaded with 250 million as well? Because I feel like these might be tied to, obviously I think this is tied to institutions, but I don't know if this is kind of more liquidity providers or banks or more PSPs. I don't know exactly what could be going on here. We don't know exactly for sure. But what we know is if they're dealing with over $100 million worth of XRP in one transfer, that this is something going on. And they're doing a pretty even number here, so I imagine this is going to be split up between all these 4 wallets. So it seems like one institution is going to have access to 4 separate wallets with 250 million XRP each. Some people were suggesting on Twitter, I saw, that this could be like the SBI co-venture thing. And now that Japan has the regulations all in set and XRP is confirmed a currency and not a security, they have the regulatory get-go over there to launch not only SBI virtual currencies but also their co-venture fund, which invests in XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash, I do believe. So honestly, guys, we don't know exactly what this is, but this can only mean good things. And again, also remember SBI saying, or not SBI, SCB, the largest bank in Thailand, saying stay tuned for another announcement in the future regarding our use of XRP. So maybe SCB is one of these hub banks that might actually end up holding XRP. Because guys, when I'm seeing this, when you're seeing one wallet that has 250 million XRP sent to it, but then 3 other wallets are activated along with that, this seems like this wallet right here might be like an institution, and then these 3 might be like the liquidity providers connected to that institution for XRP. Who really knows? I don't know exactly what to really estimate what this is here, but guys, this can only mean good things if they're opening up new fresh wallets. Oh yeah, by the way, these wallets are absolutely fresh and brand new. They are right here. You can see this was actually made today, yeah, on the 28th. So these wallets were literally just created today, and now they're injecting them with lots of XRP. So I imagine these are wallet addresses for new institutions of the RippleNet that want to be a part of the XRP ecosystem. So thank you guys for tuning in the video today. Oh, one more thing I do want to tell you guys, I am very proud to say, since you guys have been absolutely so supportive lately with the bull run streams and just the marathon streams, and just the channel in general has been just really gaining some traction. I honestly I think I owe it to you guys, and we are going to be upgrading a specific piece of hardware, and that is going to be a brand new microphone. Yep, that is 4 Benjis right there. Did drop it today, and I had to drop another 100 to get like the actual stand for this, because like that stand connects this power cable. So yeah, it's a whole freaking advanced thing. It's the same microphone that they use on the Joe Rogan podcast, and if you listen to that show, you know that the mics are just top-notch podcast quality. So I thought, you know, maybe honestly, if I get something like this, people will take the stream more seriously, and I think you guys will really enjoy the nice, crisp audio. So hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video today. Really do appreciate it. Make sure do smash the likes and subscribe. Check links in the description if you do want to support the channel and support me as in, you know, things like getting new hardware and stuff like that. Because again, I am thinking about upgrading to a 4K webcam next. So, and also check below the description for some merch. Make sure to check out those new designs. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in the video today. Really do appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.